and still made it rain. So the solution of that, we can prevent that from happening, is that we can stop cutting trees too much, and we should save paper, because paper is made from trees, and we should use less gas, and we should use electric cars instead.
Very good. Very good news is what? Okay, ecological imbalance. Okay, one of the main concerns of today's world is, okay, we need buildings, we need development, we need roads. Okay, for that, how to balance growth versus environment. Okay, now to make a road, okay, to make things, to make buildings, to make infrastructure, we have to cut down the trees. But how to kind of offset the problem? Like how to kind of balance, bring a balance between environment and development. That is the main thing. Okay, so stop wasting things. Use renewable source of energy that we have
And
many times
stop,
spoken. Green energy.
and stop
Very
wasting
nice.
paper.
Stop wasting paper. Very good, Vanshika. Good, commendable. Okay, now today,
So can I
yes,
present my
Pranav.
news?
Yes, Pranav. Okay, so that is done. Yeah, Pranav. Present your news.
PM to launch Indian Space Association today. The launch of Indian Association will take place virtually, where PM Modi will also interact with representatives of the space industry. The Space Association is represented by leading homegrown and global corporations with advanced capabilities in space and satellite technologies.
Very good. We need advanced space technologies. Okay, to keep a better track on the different environmental hazards that we face, like cyclones, droughts. Okay, so when we have good satellite and space technologies, okay, we can track it more better in a nice way. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So the damage can be reduced this way. For suppose the cyclone is going to come. Suppose the cyclone is going to come. The more accurate the satellite can capture how fast the cyclone is coming, the more better we can evacuate people and make arrangements. है ना? What do you think?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right or wrong?
Evacuate means traveling to wait, nothing, sorry. Evacuate means moving to a safe place.
Moving people to a safe place. Okay, Vanshika, what are you playing with? Just keep it on side.
That's a phone stand.
Okay, now listen. First today, what we are going to do is, today I'm going to review your writings. Okay. Last time we reviewed Myra's essay, so today we are going to review Vanshika's and Pranav's essay. Okay, where you have to improve. See, in this class, we also need to improve or work on your writing skills. Okay, where, because in your exams or wherever you go, you have to write at the end of the day. Okay, so how to improve your writing skills, where to focus, what to do. In that case, that's why that elocution topic was given to you, and you bought your best. Okay, now let's see. We start with Vanshika first. Let's go to Vanshika's essay. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Like drawing that kind of sign, like
Acha,
this.
I saw it. We will see what has to be done. All have done well. Pranav was the best essay. Pranav's on.
Yeah, I did not see Pranav and Myra's.
No, Myra's essay I told. Myra's essay we discussed last time in the class.
Did you
written the
discuss?
whole menu of a hotel?
Yeah, the resort menu. Yeah.
The resort menu. Okay,
1 second, sir.
let's go ahead. Action speaks better than words. Okay, this speaks more, and truly the power of silence is more than the words spoken. Like the nature becomes silent before dawn. Good. Okay, imaginations work better in solitude, and implementation in solitude works better in future. Okay, all this is fine. That is in the form of poems. Okay, so that means the more silent you are, the more creative you become. Okay, so you should not waste your energy too much in
I'm
talking.
back.
Got my points? Yes, in form of
Yes,
poems.
sir. Yes, sir.
And all this was nicely written. Inventions, discovery. See, whoever invented, great things like the telescope, the telephone, and lot many things. They worked in deep silence. Be it Thomas Edison, who invented the bulb, or Graham Bell, who invented the telephone. They have worked nights and nights in deep silence. Only in deep silence you can focus. Okay, so action should be done. Good actions come when you think deeply. Okay, all that was good. So it is true that action speaks better than word, which I truly believe, because I keep on saying that I'll do my homework and I actually don't do my homework. But my mom says instead of saying do it. So we should understand, instead of making loud announcements, just implement the thing and then speak. So people will, yes, wait. So people will believe you, and your word will have more weightage. Okay, this is an important message. See, if you want to come first in your school, before coming first in your school, don't keep on beating the drum. I'll come first in the school. I'll come first in the school. It's okay.
Yeah, I don't like
You should
beat
not
the
do
drum.
that. You
If I
should.
beat the drum like that, my voice will go. I will just play a recording on my phone.
You should say it to yourself. You should say it to yourself, and you should work
Don't
hard.
beat the
Your
drums.
your your success should speak. Okay. And then it is not only language or words help us to communicate with each other, but also the signs or the hoarding help us to understand without anybody actually telling. This put in a series of examples. Being a Mumbaikar, acha. Now the problem is from here, Vanshika. Hello. Please understand. Now there is a major deviation in the essay. Vanshika, hello. Please pay attention and try to improve where I'm telling you to. Vanshika, are you listening to
Yeah.
me?
Yes.
See, the topic is action speaks louder than words. And from here, there is a deviation towards sign language. You start giving examples like being a Mumbaiker, if I don't talk about locals, okay, that is fine. Wait. Okay, then you are giving signs. This means something that is whether electric boards or roads. Then C is for church gate. Okay, this is sign language. Vanshika, this is not too much connected to the topic. Okay, this is going away from the topic. Stick to the topic as much as possible. Okay, then you are given save water. Okay, the sign language is fine, but that is evident. People know that sign language is fine, and that sign language has doesn't have much to do over here. Okay, Vanshika. So the first half was good. Okay, so beside these sign language, people cut here, braille language was there. Okay, so all this goes in sign language, which is written very well, but it's not relevant in the given topic. The given topic, you should have given more examples that how your action speaks louder than words. Okay, how great people did action and proved themselves in the world. Okay, so I truly believe that great things happen when don't speak much and instead prove things without saying and actually doing. Okay, so fastly written conclusion. Okay, very speedily written. I can make out. So that is fine. Conclusion is good. So Vanchika, whenever you're writing an essay, stick to the topic. Okay, as much as possible. Okay, you should not deviate. Now let's go to Pranav's essay. Pranav ji,
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay. Mother has changed your name to Isar.
That was a mistake. I didn't like.
okay, keep quiet. My responsibility towards society. See, it was very well written. Okay, the whole, from start to end, he had the grip on the topic. Okay, he had the grip on the topic. The examiner should never feel deviated. Okay, we should never lose interest from top to bottom. Not even for once did my interest decreased. I kept on feeling like reading more. Okay, and the topic ended. And
Then
this
Pranav
ended.
should make a whole story novel.
Okay, every
Oh,
human
that
on
is
this
not a
earth,
story now.
keep quiet. Every human on this earth is capable of contributing to society, no matter who he or she
Sir,
is.
slow
You
down.
just,
Why are you
just
riding
keep
so? Why are you
Vanchika,
riding the bike so fast?
Vanch, Vanchika, what is it? Why are you disturbing me? Vanchika, what is it? Why are you speaking in the middle? Can't you people just keep quiet? Every human on this earth is capable of contributing to society, no matter who he or she is. Even a smile of you is a contagious contribution to this world. Okay, so introduction is very good. Okay, so he has introduced in a very well manner. For selfish reasons, we have got damage to the earth, fighting back, hurricanes, earthquakes are happening. Okay, the future generations will suffer. So he has then come back to the point. My responsibility towards nation is to help in the nation's growth. All relevant points. All relevant points. Then he has given examples, oxygen masks, help yourselves first, as it is said in the flights, in the On the aeroplanes also, if there's some difficulty, people are told to first help yourself, then help others. The same way, responsibility of me as a human, support the earth which we are living on. Do not divide people on region, religion, unit. Very beautiful. Okay. We should focus on helping people who are less privileged than us. Let us build equitable world. This is just amazing. Okay. I feel that what I'm teaching, it is kind of showing in you. Okay. These qualities are coming in you. This is what education should do. Okay, build up rather than destroy. Share, keep your words, and love one another, and as we love ourselves. Okay, it was beautiful essay, Pranav, and it was very nice. Let's clap for Pranav. Chalo. For your essay, for your well-written
Thank you,
essay, you
sir.
clap. Okay. I asked to clap, not to drum.
So it was drumming like.
Okay. Chalo. We start the class now. So what we have for
Yes,
today.
sir.
So understood writing, please understand one thing. Beautiful introduction, beautiful body, and beautiful conclusion. Stick to the topic as much as possible. Okay, Vanchika? Okay, Myra? Okay, Pranav?
Yes, sir.
All right, all right. Let's start.
Yes, please.
The first news for today, farmers in the east see little hope in stir. Okay? Vanchika, read the news.
Farmers in East see little hope in sphere. They have not got many of the benefits that the new law threatens to take away, as the movement against the agricultural reform laws builds towards
Vanchika is okay, not that one. Only we wanted the heading and the subheading. Achana, just tell me, if I tell you, give me some states in the east, who can tell me the states in the east? Come on. The eastern part of India. States touching the eastern coast. We start with Myra.
India is whole Asia.
No. Eastern states of India. Which are the eastern states of India?
Meghalaya, Manipur,
Just wait 1 minute.
sir, he came.
Wait 1 minute.
He's just going to eat his butter bread and drink his coffee. Or maybe someone knocked at his door. Yeah. Maybe some. I got it. Maybe someone knocked at his door to deliver him some cookies and butter bread. And I got it. Maybe today his mom didn't give him coffee, so he has to go. He has to go and get his coffee from the kitchen. Yeah. or maybe because sir's screen is saying there's polluted air on the screen, it's showing polluted air. So maybe some giant monster with coffee and butter bread came to stay with Sterling. And the coffee was with pollution kind of waste. Yeah, and then sir died for 1 second and then he came back. and maybe his coffee was too hot. He said, "Eh!" And then he went to maybe he went sugar and he was like, he went to get and he said, "It's so hot, coffee is so hot."
Okay, keep quiet. Keep quiet now. Eastern
We
states
were
of India
just
first.
talking about you and your
Okay, thank
butter
you so
bread.
much.
We thought that a man came to deliver you some coffee and butter bread.
Oh no. It was just butter and no. bread and cheese.
is off. By who?
Now it is on?
Butter bread? No.
No, it's not
It's not on
on.
yet.
It's
What
not
is
on.
the thing? Son, I'll rejoin later.
Yeah, now I can see.
Acha, now tell
Yeah,
me fast Eastern states of India fast.
So can I tell?
Wait, keep quiet. Just keep quiet. Keep quiet. Vanchika, speak.
Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, and yeah, that only.
Come little down. Come little down. Below Odisha, what is there? I've shown you the Indian map so many times, then also you don't remember. You people don't remember.
No, Madhya Pradesh or something.
Pranav, where will Madhya Pradesh come in East India?
Below Odisha is Bay of Bengal.
We have Odisha, then we have Andhra Pradesh, then we have Tamil Nadu. These are eastern states, no? They fall on the eastern coast.
Eastern state. I think, and also Kerala and Karnataka are not. No.
Kerala and Karnataka will not come.
Yeah, they are us. They're not. Yeah, West.
Eastern states, east of India.
Odisha, Telangana.
Okay, enough. Wait now. So these are the eastern states of India. You should remember. Chalo, the next news now. Pranav, I want you to read.
Yes, sir. States scramble to avoid power restrictions. Many power stations are facing a coal shortage with a fall in supply.
Read this, Pranav.
Yes, sir. The power utilities in most southern states are staring at coal shortage and scrambling to avoid power restrictions.
Very well.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Pranav.
I saw this news in Google, but this same news like about coal restrictions or something.
Chalo, tell me. I taught you before. Tell me, what is the relation between coal and electricity?
Sir, we burn coal and coal's energy we take, but it makes pollution.
Coal. What is produced from coal?
Fuel, gases and
No. I asked the connection between coal and electricity. Give me that.
One is fire. No, coal is like.
Yeah, Pranav, tell me.
Used to burn coal and energy. Like coal creates energy by hurting the environment.
Okay, so coal is used in electricity generation. Okay, the electricity which has come to our house now, it is generated from coal. Most of them in India, electricity is generated through coal. Okay, please write down. Write down fast.
What should we write down, sir? Yeah.
Write down coal is generated. Coal is generated.
Wait, sir, I'm still writing.
Coal is generated.
Then.
Sorry. Just write down. Coal is used for generating electricity. Coal is used for generating electricity.
Used for.
Coal is used for generating electricity.
Electricity. Done.
Done?
Yeah.
Next.
But why is Vanshika's and Pranav's video off? That's what I'm trying to see. If I off my video. No, your video is off. Our video is off. No, I see your video is off. So I'm thinking if I turn off my video. But I see your video off, Myra.
See, if your network is slow, the video will lag. Okay? And you can't see others also. Now it is fine. Okay? Now I want Myra to read. Myra, start reading.
There is a consensus over Kalpani ex-Nepal minister. We are confident territorial dispute can be solved through dialogue, he says.
Go ahead.
Who says?
No, this person is a minister from Nepal. Read now.
We can resolve whatever issues are there, like the Kalpani problem or the border issues. Faithful discussions can resolve such things.
Very good. What is the meaning of consensus? What is the meaning of consensus? I've given you many times.
No, you haven't. No, you haven't. You have given,
Consensus I given.
but you have forgot.
Consensus I given consensus. What is consensus? Tell me.
I forgot. No, sir, you
I'll
have
give you.
given us.
I'll give you.
You have got it. Yeah, you have given it. I
I'll
see.
give you a sentence. I'll give you a sentence. Try to understand. Okay. I and my friend, I and Rahul were fighting since long, but after a while, we had a consensus.
Another party involved stop the problems.
No.
Stopping the fight and working together.
Yes, yes, Pranav. Stopping the fight and working together. Consensus means general agreement. Write down again. If you don't know, you have to write down again. Consensus is equal to general agreement. Write down.
General agreement.
General agreement.
And sir, why is all of our voices echoing? Yeah, it's I don't know. Yeah, I think so. He has joined from two devices, right? So then the second device is from that is echoing. Yeah, maybe for a second.
No, it's
You've
not
joined
echoing.
Oh, I think it's echoing from Myra's phone. Yeah, I'm not using a phone. I'm only using one device. Yeah, no, but like
No, it's not. It's not echoing now. It's not echoing for me. Is it echoing for you now also?
Yeah, sometimes. Oh, yeah, sometimes it's echoing. It's like that.
Okay, fine. Consensus, general agreement. We go ahead. Please pay attention. You're going to map a country.
Libya. What's that country? I've done that before, I think. Libyan rebels agree on pullout of
Mercenaries. Pull out of mercenaries. Okay. Libyan rivals agree on pull out of mercenaries. Mercenaries, you have to find out. Wait, I'll show you Libya first.
Mercenaries are Libya.
No, for you just find Libya.
I can see from it. Libya, found it. Libya, next to Egypt. Yeah, found it.
Libya is very rich in oil. Okay, has a lot of crude oil. Please write down. Libya's capital. Write down. Libya's capital is.
Libya capital what?
Libya's capital is Tripoli. Write down Tripoli.
We've done that, I think.
Do it again. You'll not get COVID. Do it again.
You'll not get COVID if you COVID again.
Tripoli. Tripoli.
Sir, why is it in your screen it is showing polluted air? Tripoli or Tripoli?
Tripoli, Baba. Tripoli.
Tripoli. Yeah. You are in Google. Libya capital. Yeah, now my voice is echoing. Yeah, even mine is echoing.
Do one thing. Everyone rejoin fast.
Okay, fine.
Rejoin, come on.
I'm rejoining.
Rejoin.
And oh, it's still echoing. Yeah.
So fine. Stop the musty. We are going ahead now.
I can map anything from a giant globe. Yeah, then that's reading. You can see two maps at a time. Okay. Maritime activity is vital, says Rajnath. Special composition
Correspondent. Vanshika, what is maritime? What is maritime?
What? What? Maritime? What's a maritime? I have no
Maritime.
idea. I don't know what is a maritime, sir. You've not even done it.
What is the meaning of marine? What is the meaning of marine?
Marine means water.
Marine means
like
water
related to
animals.
water. Related to water.
Please
Oh,
write
yeah,
down write down maritime, then write down put a dash, then write down related to water. Come on.
What's that? Related to water. What does it mean? Related
It
to
means-
water means marine. See, marina.
Maritime activity. Wait. Maritime security means security in the ocean. That means what? Who will give security to the ocean? Air Force will give or Navy will give?
Navy. Navy.
Okay, so the maritime security is given by Navy. Okay, got it?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's still echoing. Wait a minute.
Arey Myra, leave it now. Whether it is echoing or not echoing, leave that. Why you are focusing on that again and again? Leave it. What will happen if it echoes little
I'm
bit?
not able to understand anything.
Not able to understand?
Yeah.
Then wait. I'll rejoin. I'll rejoin and see. Everyone rejoin. Everyone rejoin again. Come on.
Then the call will end.
I'm starting now. You rejoin now.
I just rejoined. This is there is sir. It's still going. Yeah, it's still echoing. Yeah, it's still echoing just a little bit. Wait a minute.
Wait. Now is it
it's
fine?
not echoing. No, it's still echoing. There are two Myras. There are two Myras. Why are there
Myra, the problem is with you. How is two Myras coming?
I was trying to Myra's mic is echoing. No,
Now is it okay?
Now it's not
Now-
echoing.
Now tell me whether it's echoing or not.
It's not echoing. Now it's not echoing. Because first time now it's still echoing for Myra. No, it's still echoing a little bit. Yeah, it's still echoing.
Acha, wait.